TCL unveiled its latest Nxtpaper 4.0 display technology at CES 2025, claiming to build upon and enhance the existing Nxtpaper solution, which was initially launched in 2023. This technology will be first integrated into the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus tablet, the company's first AI-powered tablet featuring significant innovations such as text assist, smart translator, and more. The latest Nxtpaper 4.0 employs circularly polarized light and blue light purification technologies, reducing eye strain in contrast to the conventional displays. It utilizes a nanometrics lithography etching process, which is claimed to improve clarity for sharper text viewing and high-resolution images. Additionally, it offers Delta E1 color precision and 100% sRGB color gamut coverage, ensuring vivid and accurate color reproduction. The TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus tablet, the first to feature Nxtpaper 4.0, also debuted at CES 2025. It boasts an 11.5-inch display with 2.2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, delivering 550 nits of brightness. The tablet includes a smart eye comfort mode, ensuring reduced strain during extended usage. It integrates the Nxtpaper UI, providing users with seamless customization through shortcut gestures such as single, double, and long pressures. In terms of AI-backed functionality, the Nxtpaper 11 Plus introduces text assist, Google's Circle to Search, and tools such as Smart Voice Memo and Smart Translator for recording, transcribing, and translating content.